Everyone desires it. Dreams are built upon it. But only one authority can create it. The Federal Reserve prints it as needed, in enormous quantities, to fund the U.S. government's expenditures. Their daily production? Over $650 million in banknotes and coins. Remarkably, only 8% of global currency exists in physical form, yet nothing compares to the allure of tangible money. You might be surprised by what goes into making currency, how ordinary materials transform into the bills you use every day. Let's explore how dollars are made. The dollar was first issued by the U.S. government in the year 1861, during wartime, to pay for military goods and services. Today, while final currency designs require Treasury Secretary approval, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing handles the actual creation process. Their facilities employ over 5,000 people, spanning millions of square feet. From specialized paper production to final printing and distribution, every step follows strict standards. Each banknote must meet exacting quality controls. The production process combines highly trained artisans, hundreds of hours of labor, specialized equipment, and a unique blend of traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, all to prevent counterfeiting. The complex printing process involves over 65 steps. 1 in 3 Americans believe they're more money conscious than others. The iconic imagery on dollar bills is engraved using massive steel plates. Designing new bills can take years of work, incorporating numerous elements. Currency designs always reflect America's economic heritage, while incorporating modern security. Front designs feature historic figures, while backs display national symbols. These engraved elements combine to create each bill's distinctive look. Details matter immensely because the design must be both beautiful and nearly impossible to copy. After design completion, engravers undergo 12 to 15 years of training to hand-carve the steel printing plates from original artist designs. The back of each dollar bill features the Great Seal, symbolizing the original 13 colonies, with 3 stars above the eagle and pyramid steps representing. After engraving, plates are washed and treated with potassium bicarbonate to prevent oxidation. The treated plates are then immersed in nickel salt solution for about 22 hours. During this process, electric current forms duplicate nickel plates over plastic molds. Master engravers meticulously inspect each duplicate. Any imperfections require restarting the entire process. Finished plates receive protective chromium coatings. Contrary to popular belief, dollars aren't paper at all. They're 75% cotton and 25% linen, creating that distinctive feel. Specialty inks feature color shifting and magnetic properties. Green was originally chosen for psychological impact and counterfeit deterrence. It also represents stability and growth. Federal Reserve seals are printed with black ink. This same ink prints Treasury Department markings. Printing presses apply 20 tons of pressure. These massive machines produce 8,000 sheets hourly, Sheets pass through multiple stations, using different inks and processes. After 72 hours of drying, automated systems scrutinize every bill through rigorous mechanical inspections. Using advanced cameras and computers, acceptable currency gets cut, packaged, and shipped to the Fed for distribution nationwide. The Federal Reserve estimates over 40 billion bills circulate currently, worth $1.5 trillion, but could overprinting eventually devalue the dollar? This concludes our journey through the dollar's creation process. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please share it with others. This has been a production of Alpha Machines. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating worlds.